Hey guys, Miss Tiffany here. So today we're going to work on worksheet number 233. Let's first write our name. Make sure your letters are touching the line. And we have to, for the directions it says, say the name of each picture, circle the correct word. So we have to look real close here because remember, we have to remember our rule with the two vowel words. The first vowel is going to have the long sound and the second vowel is going to be silent. So we have to remember that so we can learn how to read these words. So we're going to I'm going to let you do this on your own, and we'll go through all the pictures, and then after we go through it the first time and you circle the correct answer, we'll go back and try to look and see if you got the correct answer after you finish the page the first time. So I'm going to tell you what each picture is, and I want you to guess. Remember, the rule is for two vowel words, the first vowel has the long sounds. Remember our long sounds, A, E, I, O, and U. A would say A, E would say E, I would say I, O would say O, and U would say U. So when you read these words, that'll help you to know what sounds they make. So let's go. The first picture is a picture of soap. So do you think the first word says soap or the second word says soap? The next is a picture of a pile of clothes. Do you think the first word says pile or the second word says pile? The third picture is a picture of a road. Road. Do you think the first word says road or the second word says road? The next is a picture of a meal. Meal, like you would have for dinner. Do you think the first word says meal or the second word says meal? See if you can get it. The next is a picture of a Jeep. Jeep. Do you think the first word says Jeep or the second word says Jeep? All right, and the last picture is a picture of a home. Home. Do you think the first word says home or the second word says home? All right, now let's go back and do it together. All right, the first is a picture of soap. Soap. So let's look. This would say sob. This would say soap, because it's two vowels, and we know that this vowel, the first vowel is going to have an O sound because it's a long O, and the second vowel is going to be silent. So soap, soap. That'll be our correct answer. The next is a picture of a pile of clothes. If we look at this word right here, we know it says pig, and we know that this I is going to have a long sound because it's two vowels in our word. So pile. This E is going to be silent, so we're not going to hear the E. So this would be our correct word, pile. The next is a picture of a road. Road. We know this word is going to say rod because it's a one vowel, and so it's going to have a short sound. This word is going to have a long O sound because it's two vowels, and the A is going to be silent. So we know this word says road. Road. This will be the correct word. The next is a picture of a meal. Meal, like you would have for dinner. We know this first word says met, because it's only a one vowel word. So we know that's going to have a short sound. This has two vowels, so this E is going to have a long E. So it's going to be meal, right here. This is the correct word. This picture of a Jeep. We know that this word with one vowel has a short sound, so it's going to say jet. This word with the two vowels, it's going to only have one sound, so we know it's going to say Jeep. That'll be the correct word. And this last picture is a picture of a home. We know this one vowel word says the O is going to be short, so we're going to know it's going to say hop. This has two vowels, so the O is going to be long, have a long sound. So let's sound it out. Home. That's right. Good job. Now we're going to flip our paper over, and we're going to do the other side. It says, look at the picture, count the cars, and circle the correct number. So let's look. We're going to have to find the red cars and count how many red cars there are. Let's count the red cars. 1, 2, 3. So let's find the number 3 in the line of numbers. See which circle the correct number. Now we're going to go to the yellow cars, and you're going to count the cars, and you're going to circle the correct number. Now the blue cars, circle the blue cars. How many blue cars do you see? And then circle the correct number. Now when you finish, we're going to go back over it together. Are you ready? Let's count the red cars. 1, 2, 3. Is the first number 3, the last number 3, or the middle one 3? It's the middle one. Good job. Now let's do the yellow cars. Let's count the cars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is the first number 4, the second number 4, or the last number 4? It's the last number. That's right. So now we're going to count the blue cars. Let's count the blue cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So is the first number 6, the second number 6, or the third number 6? It's the first one. That's right. Good job. All right, now that we finished that paper, we're all finished. I hope you all have a great day.